Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best dash cam with parking mode. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5, brand name, Vantrue. Model number, N4. The Vantrue N4 dash cam is supercapacitor powered instead of lithium batteries, which are built to survive extreme weather conditions from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for hot weather areas like Arizona, Florida, Texas, or extremely cold areas. And it also gives a longer lifespan than lithium-ion battery dash cams. The N4 is a triple-channel dash cam which offers 155 degrees front camera, 165 degrees inside camera and 160 degrees rear camera. It can simultaneously monitor the front, rear and interior of your vehicle, while providing audio at 1440 pixels plus 1440 pixels plus 1080 pixels, protecting you from potential accidents and liability issues. The 3-channel dash cam always be connected to hardwire kit or external battery for parking mode. Number 4, brand name, Vantrue. Model number, N2 Pro. The most popular and widely spread Uber dash cam for rideshare and taxi drivers in the market. The front and inside camera simultaneously capture the road front and inside passenger cabin in crystal details at dual 1920 into 1080 pixels 30 frames per second, which is a great option for rideshare drivers that will need photographic evidence in the event some rowdy passengers do damage to their car. 24 hours motion-activated parking mode makes the dual car camera to automatically record when it detects motion. Auto start and record when the ignition sparks up. Auto LCD off timer ensure you won't be disturbed by another glowing rectangle on your windshield. Supports external memory capacity up to 256 GB to meet your need of long-time recording, while the other dash cams in the market are usually 32 GB. Both cameras auto-record once the front or inside camera detect movement, which ensures nearly 360 degrees protection when you leave your vehicle unattended, while most dual cameras can only detect movement in front. Regular firmware updates to ensure improved features and functionality for maximum quality. You can always improve the performance of your N2 Pro and see the benefits of the numerous new features and functions with latest firmware update. The main part of this camera that stands out from the competition is the infrared night vision provided on the interior camera pointed at passengers. While other cameras claim to have night vision, but the Vantrue N2 Pro can provide clear footage even with no lighting. Seamless loop recording overwrites the oldest footage with the newest upon filling a card to capacity. Excellent audio recording with built-in microphone. Time-lapse function automatically takes photos at specified intervals. It also has 4 infrared sensors, meaning even in complete darkness the camera can capture usable images. Number 3, brand name, 70mm. Model number, M500. Equipped with the HDR technology, the 70mm dash cam M500 can capture details including road signs and car plates under any lighting conditions. The HDR helps M500 to automatically adjust exposure under different lighting conditions, producing well-illuminated images wherever you go. Outstanding image quality with a high resolution of 2592 x 1944 captures license plates, road signs, and other critical details on the road. With the 70mm app, you can view real-time footage directly on your phone. An extra-wide 170 degrees field of view better records actions on both sides of your car where collisions are most likely to occur. Loop and stores it locally in a built-in memory storage, safely secured from overwriting. The M500 gives you voice alerts when sensors detect abnormal tire pressure, so you can act ahead to prevent safety risks. Real-time tire pressure and temperature information is readily available in the 70mi app whenever you need it. The M500 directly receives Bluetooth signals from TPMS sensors and doesn't require a receiver, so you can keep your car accessories to a minimum and your car interior clean. The 70mi Dash Cam M500 identifies the feature of 24-hour parking monitoring by enabling loop recording, emergency recording and time-lapse recording. Number 2. Brand name, Kawa, model number, D6. Kawa Car Cam features a super high resolution of 1440 pixels, capturing license plates, road signs, pedestrians and other details on the road. With 145 degrees wide angle, this dash cam enables you to monitor more lanes without blind spots. Built-in Wi-Fi, no data required, can be connected to the Kawa DVR app, allowing you to easily watch live images, play recorded videos and download files to your mobile phone for viewing and sharing in any moment on major social media. This dash camera for cars built-in 3D sensor which is more smarter to judge the vehicle collision than normal G sensor. It will automatically record an emergency video when shock occurs. And this video will not be looped video coverage, which helps you to obtain accurate evidence videos at any time. Intelligent voice control, including 8 voice commands such as taking photos, recording and locking videos. Enjoy the era of intelligence, save the current pictures and videos in time, freeze every wonderful moment on the road. Number 1. Brand name, THEI. Model number, Carbox 6R. THEI Dash Cam equipped with 3-inch IPS screen, 1080 pixels front Full HD resolution, and 720 pixels waterproof rear recording monitor the roads ahead and behind the car simultaneously in super clear definition. High dynamic range retains a greater level of detail and color in an image. This setting is especially useful for scenes that include shadows or bright areas, monitors and displays real-time trip data including time, speed and coordinates. Tracks the exact location of an accident if one should occur, crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. The car dash cam with built-in adjustable G sensor. Current footage will be locked and protected in the SD card when the G sensor is triggered by sudden shake collision. Provide you significant evidence when something unexpected happens. The dash camera display screen will automatically show full rear view with parking guidelines. When the car reverse gear is engaged, the waterproof rear view camera will help you to park your car easily and safe.